Hey coders, welcome to my channel, where we turn code into creativity, one line at a time. Today, we are learning two useful code snippets in this video. Let's get started. This HTML code creates a button that, when clicked, toggles the visibility of a pop-up using the Popover API. The button tag element has a popover target attribute pointing to the tag div with the popover attribute, which makes it function as a native pop-up. By default, the pop-up is hidden, but clicking the button makes it appear, and clicking outside the pop-up automatically closes it. 2. This code creates a modal dialog using the HTML dialog element, allowing pop-ups without extra JavaScript. The button element has an on-click event that calls myDialogShowModal, which opens the modal and prevents interaction with the rest of the page. Inside there is a paragraph and a close button that calls myDialogClose, which hides the modal when clicked. This approach leverages the built-in Dialog API, providing a simple and effective way to create modals that block background interaction. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.